Welcome to A Diva's Touch. I had empty space in my living room on this wall, so I decided to fill it with a faux fireplace. I started looking on Pinterest to get ideas. Did not want to purchase, so I made one. Later, I placed 2 brackets inside of the 2 columns for support. This is the back of the middle piece of the fireplace, and I'm going to show you guys where I should have added additional braces for the back of the fireplace at the top, in the middle right here, and at the bottom. I actually ended up adding those 2 at the top, and I didn't add one at the bottom, which I should have. This piece of plywood is actually one piece that I cut the square with the measurements of the fireplace insert that will be placed inside. I used a jigsaw to shape the bottom because I wanted this unit to sit flush against the wall. At this point in the project, my husband came home and I had to show him how much money I was saving him by actually making the fireplace myself. Here I was trying to see if I wanted to add more molding at the bottom of the fireplace. I installed the towel with Muscle Bond double-sided adhesive tape for tile. This is the insert that I purchased from Amazon. And this is my faux fireplace, guys. I'll have another video coming up soon about how I made my shiplap piece at the top. Thank you for watching.